You're watching a video with Ariel and Shia Kane. To see more videos, go to transformationmadeeasy.com.
Hi guys.
Hi.
I'm feeling nervous sitting here right now.
Really?
A little bit.
What
Yeah.
are you nervous about?
Um,
What are you associating this nervousness with?
I'm associating it with picking on myself.
What have you been picking on yourself about?
I don't know. This has been an amazing trip for me. I'm here for 2 weeks. And it was awesome because when we first got here, I felt like I was able to slip right into myself. But the thing that I'm noticing is I keep getting distracted.
Well, I have a question for you. When did this round of picking on itself regenerate?
Probably like through the night and this morning.
What's different about last night? What's different about last night?
Well, we got the new crew in. Yeah.
So we have more than 40 people that are new to the course.
Yeah.
So you think that it's you picking on you.
But maybe you just picked up the psychic interference of these newcomers who are in their normal way of relating to themselves and thinking about themselves and working on themselves. So first week you came working on yourself, but you're here for 2. So by the end of the first week, you were pretty much not working on yourself anymore. You're just living your life being you.
Right.
Just Jen. And then last night you have an influx of disturbed
thought
people.
Processes.
Yeah, because you see, people are disturbed. Life is disturbing for the most part. We brought you to an environment that's kind enough, safe enough that you can relax into being you.
I find it very exciting that you were picking on yourself last night and this morning because, she's like, really?
Yeah.
Because what you're able to start differentiating now, Jen, is the difference between you and the music that plays when something in your environment changes.
Okay.
And when you can begin to include that your environment impacts your thought processes, life is so much easier because you don't take your thought processes personally. It's information. It also allows you to know when you need to support the people around you because, something's different. Maybe it's over here. How can I be of service?
That's awesome. Yeah. Wow. Thank you. I love that. I felt as they were coming in, I felt the energy, and it was really sweet energy. So,
They're sweet people.
Yeah.
But sweet people have self-deprecating thoughts and worries and aspirations rather than... It doesn't mean they're not sweet people.
Yeah.
But what's happening is you're being able to hear the multi-sounds. Like here, I'm able to hear there's like a cicada or something in the background, and there's occasional birds.
And dripping of water from the tree.
And we're talking.
Yeah.
Well, you have the sound of sweetness and the sound of self-deprecating thoughts, and they happen simultaneously.
That's so cool. Awesome. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
For more information about the Canes, their books and seminars, and the Premium Excellence Club, go to transformationmadeeasy.com.